If your content is helpful but not one takes action, listen carefully. People don't buy information, they buy the future they believe is possible for them. And that's exactly what Yearning creates. Ciao, y'all. I'm Kiara, content marketer, AI-powered content strategist, and the founder of the Museum Creative, where I help creative arts entrepreneurs simplify their content marketing, amplify their voice, and grow sustainably without burning out or feeling like they're constantly selling. Today, we're diving into the fourth pillar of my SONYA Framework, Yearning. The art of creating anticipation, desire, and emotional pull in your content without manipulation or pressure. If you'd like to learn more about the framework and its other core pillars, check out this video linked down below. Most creatives are taught to educate, explain, provide value, and that's important, but not enough. Because content not only teaches, answers the question, what should I know? But content with yearning answers, who could I become if I follow this? Without yearning, your audience stays informed but inactive because they don't see the benefits or transformation, aka what's in it for them, behind your content that would spur them to take action and work with you. Let's clear this up. Yearning is not fake urgency, clickbait, pressure tactics. Yearning is showing the gap between where your audience is and where they want to be, helping them emotionally experience the outcome, naming the relief, confidence, or clarity they're craving and that they would get by working with you. Yearning invites, it doesn't push. Every strong piece of content with Yearning includes a relatable current struggle or urgent need, a glimpse of a better future, a believable bridge between the two. For example, imagine creating content without second guessing every post. What would change if your museum became more attractive to the youth, not because of more promotion, but because of more accessible programs? From scrappy beginner to confident painter, learn the 5 steps to creating a watercolor masterpiece. That emotional contrast is what keeps people listening while motivating them to take action. AI can help you shape yearning, but it can't feel it for you. Here's how I use AI intentionally. I ask it to map the before and after states of my audience, aka how they feel now versus how they would feel in the future if they got my support. I use it to articulate transformations clearly in my content. Then I layer in lived experience, personal stories, social proof, emotion, and nuance. AI supports the structure, but you bring the longing with your personal touch and unique perspective. Inside the SONYA framework, strategy gives direction, originality gives value, nuance builds trust, yearning creates movement. It's the moment your audience thinks, I want that, and I trust the person guiding me. That's when content stops being random and starts becoming connection. So if your content feels flat or overly educational, try this shift. Stop asking, what do they need to know? And start asking instead, what do they want to feel? And if you want help using AI to create content that connects emotionally and strategically, download my free guide below, 5 AI-powered solutions for creatives who dread marketing. In the next video, we'll close the SONYA framework with authenticity, how to stay true, ethical, and human in an AI-driven content world. So don't forget to subscribe and join the Museum Creative community for more content strategies like this. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao!